Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to change the title bar text color in Windows 10. Customizing the text color can give your File Explorer a personalized touch. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, press the Start button, then search for Run and press Enter to open it. Step 2. In the Run dialog box, type regedit and click or tap on OK. This will open the Registry Editor. Step 3. Within the Registry Editor, browse to the following key: H key current, User's Control Panel colors. Step 4. In the right pane of the Colors key, locate the title text string value and double-click or tap on it to modify. Step 5. A dialog box will appear. Enter the 3 red, green, blue RGB numbers for the color you desire. For example, if you want a golden color, you can enter 215-215-0. Click or tap OK to proceed. Step 6. Close the Registry Editor. Step 7. To apply the changes, sign out of your Windows account and then sign back in. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily change the title bar text color in Windows 10. Personalizing the text color adds a unique touch to your File Explorer and enhances your overall Windows experience. It's important to note that modifying the registry can have risks, so make sure to follow the steps carefully and create a backup of your registry before making any changes. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.